I'm in support of PDP in Rivers State. I'm in support of PDP where? Rivers State. Until you meet us. The governorship, the senatorial, House of Reps, House of Assembly, I will fully fight for them to win an election. If you're not going to bring Arize, you say, we win an election. That is your business. Here, I will not support anybody who does not like Rivers State. I will not support anybody who does not want equity, fairness, and what? Justice. I will not do it. I will not do it. If you want Rivers State to support you, come and say you believe in equity and fairness. I told the governor of Benue State, I'm sorry to say this, and I will say it. All of them are my brothers. The only person that I know by his age, he has about almost 25 years to meet us up. He is the governor of Oyo State. So so for me, I've done everything. And then my younger brother, yesterday I was watching him in Politics Today. He said this and said that. I can tell anybody, I have sacrificed. This state has sacrificed for the party. And you must sacrifice for Rivers State. If you don't sacrifice for Rivers State will no longer sacrifice for you. I say it, and I want to say it clearly. Deputy National Chairman, let me tell you, you are here to hand over flags to our people tomorrow. I will tell you, in the name of God Almighty, I will not, and I will not, and I will not. Rivers State will not die for anybody who does not want to die for us. We will not do it. We will not do it. This, what we are doing today, national television, let heaven hear, let the world hear, let Nigeria hear. This state will not continue to sacrifice for anybody. You must sacrifice for this state. We have suffered enough. We have worked for this state. We have worked for this party. And we will not. We will not. It doesn't matter what people will say. Death will come when it will come. Death will come when it will come. Nobody will say, I will die today because you say so. It's only God that will say when I will die. It's only God that said Rivers State will not be anything. But you can spare to think that Rivers State will be no state. I tell you, no way. I will not do it. Just like all of them here. You have not won an election. You want to jail Benue governor. You have not won an election. You want to jail Enugu governor. You have not won an election. You want to jail Oyo governor. God will not allow you. Because they speak for the truth. Because they said they will support Wike. Therefore, all of them will come down. They will never come down. They will never come down. They will never come down. The truth of the matter is, we must tell ourselves the simple truth. What are they talking about? What are they saying? They cannot be governors again. Only Sheyi, whether they like it or not, he will be governor. He don't work for your state. And so you cannot threaten him. It is the people of Oyo. They know he has done work for them. What have we done? We say, look, by our party constitution, by whatever it says, president should go here, chairman should go here. We have not fighting. We have allowed it. Let president come here. Let chairman go here. And you have said, no, you will take everything. And we said, no, we will not allow that. History will be on our side. That we are speaking the truth and nothing but the truth. there are some APC people who are here, and we are monitoring them. So the truth of the matter is that Abia State Governor came, council. He is the council of the G5. If you have watched As a General by 6 p.m. today, you would have heard the news about him. He was in Lagos to receive the New Telegraph Award. I was supposed to be there. I said, let him stay there and represent me. That's why he came late. But he's our professor of proverb. When you see, come, soldier ant on the front line, you're looking for peace. When you go and match it, anything you see, take. The soldier ant will go everywhere. That's the professor of program. But frankly speaking, let me tell you people, today, all of them came. I ordered Sheyi to come from America. He took last in the race. Where is this long race? What do you call them? Huh? He took last. I want to announce to you, Sheyi took last. He took last. So, all of us are together. We are brothers. There's nothing you can do to separate us. You cannot do anything. I've told everybody who cares, if you like, go to Ibazu's house, call his governorship candidate to see you. If you like, go to the oldest monkey. If you like, go and meet him. Uguay does not talk, but it's very dangerous. You know, he doesn't talk, just be careful. Sheyi, I know, even if he talks, I have my sister. I will hold him. So we are so tight to save this country. That's what we are doing. And I will tell you, tomorrow, we will hold our rally. Nigeria will hear us tomorrow. Nigeria will, even if Nigeria will not hear us, Nigeria will hear Rivers State tomorrow. Sheyi said, no, don't talk. I said, Sheyi, you want to be second term, me, I don't finish you. I will talk. There's nothing that will make me know to, I will talk tomorrow. I will talk. Oh, what did I say? I will talk. I will talk tomorrow. OCD, sir, our leader, he said umbrellas everywhere. The umbrella I know is the one that covering River State. That's the one I know. I will not lie to you. This one that covering River State is the one, as we are here, it's not umbrella covering us here. I don't know which one that will cover me again. Until they will come and tell us. They will tell you. I mean, we are all part of this party. We are all part of this country. Why will anybody think that we are not important? All of us are important. They want to kill Autumn. What did he do? Autumn said, let there be peace. Let there be justice. Let there be equity and fairness. What did Uguay say? The same thing. What did Sheyi say? The same thing. What did Ariada say? The same thing. What is our younger brother say? Our former, what's this boy's name? What's his name from Ekiti? What's his name? Okay, Ayodele Bomboy. So all of us, if anybody tells you, I hear some people say, you know what I don't like is 419. Politics, 419s have taken over the whole place. What I don't like for anybody to tell in this state, you will bring people from where to take over the state? Far. It's not going to be possible. So why not help our party to win an election? Help our party. I want to help our party to win an election. But not for you to say, we are nobody. We are people. You must respect us. If Autumn says not a human being, me, I'm a human being. But I know that Autumn is a human being. Autumn, you will not die. Even with these rivers, Alabo, because of the spirit of Nabogran Douglas, you will not die. Or your state cannot say that they will win us. No. The only state first now, even my leader, the oldest monkey, he will tell you that, look, oh, my brother, take it easy, leave River State. Nobody will get 5% here. Nobody will get 5% until we decide.